As the political wrangling over the centre's big UPSC fix only continues, the Home Minister Rajnath Singh did meet top minister to find a concrete solution to end the impasse. In fact, sources also tell Times Now that a decision is unlikely before the Prime Minister's return, and the government right now is weighing three options before reaching any consensus.
From outside the Parliament to the Home Minister's residence, these UPSC aspirants have been protesting relentlessly.
With the CSAT examination scheduled for August 24th, the time is clearly running out for the government, with the students even intensifying their protests in the national capital, who are demanding the scrapping of the English paper from this CSAT examination, which they say is clearly biased against those students who speak the regional language. There is, of course, a lot of uproar, but so far, the Verma Committee report has recommended that there should be the English language paper of the 10th class level.
Appeal to these students not to put themselves into any unnecessary physical or mental harm or discomfort, because the government is already looking at their problem with absolute sincerity, seriousness and sensitivity.
But the street fight of the students is snowballing into a major political row over language.
बड़े तकलीफ की बात भी है और ताज्जुब की बात भी है। जो लड़के ये एजिटेशन चला रहे हैं वो इस देश का भविष्य है और वो अपनी मातृभाषा के लिए लड़ाई लड़ रहे हैं। सरकार क्यों इतना देर लगा रही है, क्यों इस पे तवज्जो नहीं दे रही है?
The UPSC issue unnecessarily became complicated because the UPA government sat on it for 3 years. This government is serious of trying to find a solution.
With the UPSC row storming the Parliament, the Home Minister meeting key ministers on Sunday. But sources claim that the final decision will be taken after the Prime Minister's Nepal visit.
पूरी सरकार लगी हुई इसका निदान करने में। हम सभी जितने भी छात्र हैं यूपीएससी की तैयारी में जो अपेक्षा रखते हैं उनके प्रति हमारी पूरी सहानुभूति है।
But will the solution come sooner? As the latest Verma panel report with the government rules out scrapping of the English section, and the students continue to stare at an uncertain future with the government not taking its final stand. Bureau Report, Times Now.